Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now you should click here on the notification sound. As can you see, we got just right now selected the space line. And just to change your notification sound, you can select one from these available sounds. And now just to save the changes, go just back, and here you'll see that we just successfully changed our notification sound to the retro, to the hit one. So that's it. That's how to change notification sound on our Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.